Hey guys, what is up? This is that guy with I don't know here, recording a brand new unboxing for a brand new game that came out today. This is Pokemon Y for the Nintendo 3DS. This game came out today, October 12th. I've been counting down ever since it was announced. And here it is. Oh buddy, well before we do this, let's check out the back. Let's see. New Pokemon Explosive 3D Battles. Yes, the first Pokemon game in the series to have full 3D models. Well, no, I meant like full 3D models in a 3D game. It's the first 3D Pokemon RPG. God damn it. Okay, well, let's get this baby open. I got no tripod, so we gotta do this hipster way. Alright, here we go. Had to pick X or Y. I don't know, the only good thing about X was that Mega Charizard. Mega Charizard X, bro. Oh, buddy. Look at it gleam in the sunlight. We'll be playing this all day. Nobody can contact me. Nobody will be able to contact me for like 5 days. I'll be playing this all day. Alright, so let's get booming in here. Okay, let's see. See, it's Pokemon X and Y, but I got the Y version, so I got that this little thing here, the Torchic. Oh, right, the Torchic. Can you just, okay, I was just making sure there was no code on here. I'm actually gonna be getting the Torchic, so I'm not gonna use it in the game, but I'm gonna get it just cause, you know, it's flipping Torchic, like. Ooh, that's a sneak peek of the Pokemon Center. The Pokemon Centers we're gonna have. Oh man, that's gonna be amazing. I hope the store is in the Pokemon Center still. I hope that did not just show up. I hate how Nintendo does that. God damn it. Alright. Oh, here it is. Pokemon Y. Alright, I'll put you guys back in here, and I'm probably gonna get the Nintendo code if I even remember or care at the time, but here it is. So let's go through this real briefly. Oh, well then. Well, let's pop it in and see what happens. Okay, so here it is. This is gonna be insane. I'm gonna watch this intro like all day. Oh, here it is. The game is preparing to load in addition. Oh, right, because this was launched worldwide today. So, first worldwide Pokemon game. I'm kinda glad. Begin game in English because, you know, I don't speak anything else. Oh, here's that intro. Let's do this. Wait, there's no like a little intro sequence? Oh. Well, this is the title screen, but oh, look at Wyvern. Yes. Oh, well then, here we go. And I guess that is the intro. We're starting up. Well, I guess that does it for this unboxing video. I shall see you guys.